Hannah's out walking Nash, hiking up a trail. She's made it up to the top, and she's coming down when Kyler goes out hiking and he's going up. He's wearing his Baylor shirt, so that strikes up a conversation. He does a 180, decides he doesn't need to walk up after all. And I asked him, I said, when did you know that each other was the right one? And as for Kyler, he had a pretty good idea, but by the time he took her to the working ranch, his dad, Ronnie, said, you'd be a fool to let Hannah get away.
Kyler and Hannah, we want you to look around this room, because in this room is a lot of love.
Kyler, the way that you and Hannah fit from the beginning was truly something special. We could tell by the way that she talked about you that she had finally found that forever. Marriage is forever and ever, and I can't wait to watch and be a part of y'all's happily ever after.
Hannah is the first person to call you in the morning. She knows exactly what is happening in everyone's life, and she's happy to share it with everyone. She keeps everyone connected. If any of you in this room have spent half the time on the phone with Hannah, as Jordan and I have, you also know this. Hannah is a ray of sunshine.
From the first time we met Hannah, we could see by the glow in Kyler that Hannah was the one. They say good things come in small packages, and we believe the addition she brings to our family is larger than life.
I, Kyler, take you, Hannah, to be my wife. To have and to hold from this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poor, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, till death do us part.
I want to thank everyone for being here. We sure appreciate you. I know the DeShazer and Saltemeyer family are so pleased that you're here to honor and watch the wedding and the marriage of Hannah and Kyler. I'm not losing a daughter, but I am gaining a son. And I am awfully pleased to be doing that. And that's looking for the good, right?
This dude doesn't break. He does not. He is cool as a cucumber. I think he gets it from his mother.
You have always been there. You have always been very steady, and you have always been along for the ride. Welcome to the team. Welcome to the family.
Take my hand, let's run into the unknown. This is the beginning.
I give you this ring
As a symbol of my vow,
as a symbol of my vow.
and with all that I am,
With all that I am
and all that I have,
and all that I have,
I honor you.
I honor you.
In the name of the Father,
In the name of the Father,
and of the Son,
the Son,
and of the Holy Spirit.
and of the Holy Spirit.
This is beginning. Where to go? Heaven only knows.
Whenever you're wrong, be a man and admit it. Whenever you are right, say nothing. Kyler, today you joined our team, and we are so excited to welcome you to the family.
Please know a lot of things had to line up just right for this to happen, right? Everyone here supports you, and as always, prayers are answered. Hear, hear.
This is the beginning. 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 This is the beginning.
It is my privilege to pronounce you husband and wife. Kyler, you can kiss your bride.